Hey guys, this is gonna be the biggest unboxing video that you will ever see. This is gonna be the biggest unboxing video, and it does include fire alarm related stuff. And I do have the flash on. I know you can see by the reflection in the box because I have the flash on my phone so you can see better. So let's open this box up and see what is inside. It's a big surprise. This stuff cost about $300 and $270 total, plus $13 in taxes. I really shouldn't be doing this, but I have no other choice. I have to open this box. This is my big box, guys, so this is going to be the biggest unboxing video you ever see. So, I know I have some shorts on, I know that. I have my box flipped over upside down because my address is on there, and I don't want people seeing that. And because we do have stalkers in the neighborhood, because I think we have stalkers, I believe. Oh. There's a metal staple in the box. That's why I wasn't opening. Oh, here we go. We have some big bubble wrap right here. We got some big bubble wrap. I have to tip the box sideways to get this thing out of there. A lot of the packing peanuts are falling out. That is a lot of packing peanuts. And guess what this thing is, guys? It is my... It's heavy. This is my fire alarm control panel right here. It's a Firelight MRP-2001, but the brand is Auto Plus 542R. So technically I have a panel, guys. That is really huge. So it's a big panel.
Okay, you need to go out in the garage to take the cap off the dog door.
Alright.
They've been trapped in there all day.
Sorry about that. Alright. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Is there anything else in this box? Is there anything stuck at the bottom? Nope. And there's some packing peanuts trapped inside the panel, but I did order the keys separate from this panel, so it should work. So this panel cost about $250 pretty much, and plus $19 shipping, and plus $13 in taxes. So there you guys go. So technically I have a panel. Isn't that neat? So first of all, so technically, guys, I take this off the... Yeah, I gotta clean this mess up, so... and the seller said the panel came with 2 System Sensor i3 smoke detectors. I'm probably gonna dig something in that lock to get it open, so I'm gonna test this thing and see if it works. Alright, so hope you enjoyed my fire alarm control panel. It's a big, huge unboxing video, so thank you very much, guys. So I finally picked up a panel. So hope you enjoyed it. There's nothing else in the box, guys. It's just a bunch of packing peanuts. I gotta clean up this mess. That's a lot of packing peanuts, so yeah, that's what I gotta do, clean it up. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed it, and that will be it.